Yo, what's up everybody? Yo, welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera, and guys, welcome back. We have some major news, actually. I have some pretty exciting news, but it's exciting, but also we have to be careful, guys. Anybody who's keeping up with the world of Bitcoin and Tesla, you guys know that Elon Musk himself is very bullish on Bitcoin now, and he's doing everything to make, in his ability to make the coin like actually have more practical uses, like buying stuff, buying cars, buying clothes, buying food. That's where we need to get to, but we have quite a bit of some hurdles to get through, guys. So let's get into it. If you guys haven't heard, Elon Musk, the man himself, just revealed that you can now buy a Tesla with using Bitcoin. Now that sounds pretty freaking amazing to all those Bitcoin, hodlers, all those Bitcoin millionaires, those guys with a cheddar, like the cheddar, those guys, they could buy a Tesla with Bitcoin now. But there is some implications that we need to talk about that maybe a lot of people won't talk about, that is very important. And here we go. Once again, it's the government, good old government, trying to take your money. But it's okay, because otherwise I guess we live in a third world country if you don't have taxes. But let's get into it, guys. So Musk announced that Tesla will accept Bitcoins as a payment. In fact, the article says, in which I believe is true, buying a new Tesla using Bitcoin may end up being far more expensive than buying one with cash, which could be true. And I know this because I did my taxes, on my Bitcoin stuff, and those tax implications they're very nasty. I'll tell you that right now. I'm quite displeased with the tax system on Bitcoin, but we'll see. Look, check it out, guys. In the eyes of the IRS, spending your Bitcoin is no different from selling it, and makes you subject to capital gains. Meaning, if you're gonna buy, a $100,000 Tesla, you're still gonna be taxed capital gains on top of that. So let's say it's $100,000 Tesla, your capital gains is 15% or even 30% if you're day trading your Bitcoin. That's still a 15% tax just for using Bitcoin. So your $100,000 Tesla really is now going to be, you're going to need to spend $115,000 to $120,000 just to get to the $100,000 mark to pay your Tesla. If this doesn't make sense, guys, I'll basically, here's an example. If you purchased one Bitcoin for $3,000 last March, and then use the same coin now worth $50,000 to pay for a Tesla, this week you'll have to report capital gains on the transaction. What you've got there is a $47,000 capital gain. So basically, yes, that makes you've made $47,000, and now you're gonna need to pay. Let's go to the calculator. So you're gonna need to pay 15% of that. So 15% of 47,000 is gonna be around like 8,000. So 47,000. So times 15%, it's gonna be actually like $7,000. So $7,000 on capital gains, guys. That's what you're gonna need to pay on that coin. So then that's what really is gonna be happening for Tesla if you're trying to buy a car. So that means basically it's gonna be harder to buy an actual Tesla with Bitcoin. It's a step towards getting Bitcoin as an adoption of an actual, to be used as an actual currency, but we're not quite there yet, guys. We need a more progressive government. Not to get into politics here, we do need a more progressive government that embraces Bitcoin as a form of currency. Of course, the government is afraid. They are afraid. They are shaking in their boots because their money printing machine that Jerome Powell is just cranking. He's just cranking that machine. You know, that's going to cause some major hyperinflation and major inflation in the future. And it's going to devaluate the dollar, the power of the dollar. But we won't get too much into that, guys. Let's go see how this has been reacting for Tesla in the past hour, in the past day since this news has come out. And honestly, guys, it really hasn't been good, actually. You would think this would have been some major good news for Tesla, but it hasn't. As you guys could see, I've created a couple of channels that Tesla is going to be traveling towards to, and we really have to. If you guys could see, there's a channel right here, and whenever the stocks travel through a channel, they either tend to stay in the channel or to break the channel. So Tesla has to either break this channel to the upside, or if it does not hold on this channel, which is really up around the $630 mark, then we could see it go back down to the last point of resistance, which was around 560, the very last time we had. So let's hope it doesn't go back to that number. It is what it is. If it does get there, we're all still holding. We're gonna hold for 5 to 10 years. Remember that, guys. The point is to 5 to 10 years be chilling on an island with a Corona or you know, whatever kind of beer you enjoy, and just living life, guys. Just living life like a boss. And when we have a $15 million Bitcoin, that'd be insane. So I am gonna be buying one whole Bitcoin, guys. I'll be posting a video on that, and yeah. So sorry, let me get this out of the way. So yes, so right now, once again, guys, it's very critical that Tesla stays within this channel and breaks this channel. The $630 mark is gonna be very critical. If we cannot hold that, we're on the 1 hour chart right here. We go to the 2 hour chart, it still needs to hold that channel. If you're gonna go to the 4 hour, we're still going to need to hold that channel. There it is. So we need to get that bounce. If we get the bounce off of that channel, boom, we could see it go back up to, you know, the $750 range. Really, 720 is the point of resistance. 727 is another point of resistance that we need to break, which we haven't been able to break in quite some time. So overall, Tesla is not looking great. It's not looking terrible right now, but we really need to get past this triangle on the upside. If we don't, you know, go on the upside of the triangle, we could once again hit the resistance point of 573, and then go either bounce back up, or we don't know where this could lead to, since the market's so volatile right now. But that's kind of my uptake, guys, on what's going on. So please remember, if you're gonna buy Tesla, look for the $630 mark. If it does hold above $630, we could hopefully see it bouncing back up to the $732 range. And if it does not hold $630, you will probably be seeing it go back down to the $571 range, which I do not want to see. But it is what it is, guys. Please make sure to stay awake, stay alert, stay visible, keep paying attention to your stops, keep paying attention to the channels, learn how to read charts, guys. I cannot stress how important that is, guys. As you guys can see, you know, there's always channels, and look, Tesla traveled in this channel pretty, you know, it respected this channel right here, you know, and then once it broke the channel down, then boom, we got, you know, knocked down to another channel. We don't want that to happen here, guys. We don't want that to happen here. But as you can see, Tesla broke above this channel. Look at that. Boom. Higher highs. I'm sorry, lower highs. Boom, 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 and then skyrocket up. You know, we broke this channel, you know, back a couple of weeks ago, and it looks like we might be retesting that same channel again, guys. I hope not, but that may be a possibility. Otherwise, that's kind of what's going on. That's kind of how Bitcoin and Tesla are doing right now. Bitcoin as well. A little quick sneak peek. Bitcoin is not. It's trying to fight. The Elon Musk news kind of, you know, did something. It did a little pump, but I don't think it was enough to keep Bitcoin on the upside. As you can see on the 1 hourly, we're starting to look bearish again, and on the 3 hourly, we're starting to we're pretty actually bullish on the 3 hourly. It looks like we do have some potential to possibly run up, but as you guys could see on the MACD, we need to break above this line, which I have dotted out and drawn in order to keep going towards the upside. Really, we need to break the $57,000 range at least in order to stay positive, guys. But overall, in the main picture, on the 4 hourly, we're starting to look a little bullish. But I am honestly on the 1 day chart, which is, you know, every candle is measured as 1 day. It's not looking all that great, guys. We're still on a downward trend, which we could possibly see the $53,000 range being retested. If we don't hold 53,000, we could probably break down all the way into 42,000. Those are the very important ranges that we need to see. Once we break this part, we need to be careful. So if we do not get a bounce off of 53,000, then, you know, we may be seeing Bitcoin breaking down towards the downside, guys. So just keep a heads up, guys. Stay vigilant. Once again, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. I'm bringing you guys information for you to be able to make smart decisions on your trading. Once again, this is not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, but I am here to just give you guys a little heads up and just kind of help you through trading if you're not very informed about charts and trading and how to take advantage of channels and how to take advantage of price action and news. So once again, guys, thank you very much for watching. This was a quick video today. I actually have a lot of other things to do today, but I will see you guys in the next one. And remember, you can always get out of the rat race too. Thank you for watching.